A few months ago, I came across something that changed how I see the AI space forever. I was overwhelmed, jumping between tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, Midjourney, feeling like I was always behind. Every day a new trend, every week a new must-have tool. But I wasn't making any progress. No audience, no income, just more tabs open. Then I found the AI trend flow formula, and it was like someone finally gave me the blueprint I'd been missing. Instead of chasing random trends, it taught me how to leverage them. Instead of guessing, I finally had a proven system, one that doesn't just use AI, it profits from it. No fluff! Just straight to the point training that shows you how to ride trending AI waves for maximum visibility, content reach, and monetization. It doesn't matter if you're brand new or struggling with zero results. You don't need to show your face, create your own product, or spend hours editing videos. This method focuses on automation, virality, and plug-and-play content templates that anyone can use, even if you've never created content before. What I love most, the system is built around current trends, not last year's tactics. And when you combine that with the 10 free AI bonuses I'm offering through my link below, you're not just getting a system, you're getting a full AI business starter kit. These bonuses include prompting essentials for ChatGPT, Canva Magic Studio AI for SEO, and content creation Midjourney and image generation courses, a full movie creation with AI course Pictory, AI training, and much more. So if you're tired of watching others profit from AI while you sit on the sidelines, this is your moment. Click the link in the description to get AI Trend Flow formula and unlock 10 powerful bonuses that will completely transform your AI journey.